Hello everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a 1965 Lincoln Continental 3-in-1 convertible customizing kit. This here at the time featured a new custom station wagon version, which well, you can't really see it in the box there. There it is right there. I'm going to build that one in that version when I get around to actually building it. This here is kit number 8122. It's AMT Ertl, but it only says Ertl Corporation on the bottom. I don't remember that if it always had just the one name or if AMT was ahead of it at times. This kit features custom tail lights, optional custom tail lights, tire housing, custom bumper, aluminum air cleaner, kind of neat looking, luggage rack. I guess that would be for the the roof of the station wagon. A little bit of info on the bottom, just talking about the address and that kind of stuff if you have issues with the kit. Custom wheel covers, custom exhaust, which I can't make out what it is. To me it looks like a big old brake pedal, and a dash telephone, very modern for 1965. And this kit came out in 1997. I don't know if I mentioned that. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and get right into this one. Okay, well, let's see. First we have nothing in a bag on this one. I don't know if I did that or if this is the way it came. Here we have the body. It says Continental right there, real fine print. Looks like it has the doors that open this way and then the doors that open this way. Can't really call it what we would normally call that anymore. Starts with an S, that's all I'll say. Rest of the body feels nice. This goofy little piece of whatever has to come out of there when you're ready to build it. I imagine it's there to protect the windshield frame for packaging and shipping and that kind of thing. Nice little detail right there. I don't remember. Excuse me. Yep, pretty basic, but nice. And here we have the chassis with a big chunk of sprue left on there for us to discard. I wonder how much money the Ertl company actually saved by adding a little piece of extra flashing to everybody else's box. Must have been hundreds of pieces at least, right? Here we have the molded in exhaust, which is really nice looking. A little tough to get some fine detailing on there, especially with the invisible pieces of pipe that go from here over to here somehow. I don't know how that works. And then we have the gas tank, cross member up there, drive shaft is molded in. Alrighty. And we have the interior with molded in back seat and very minimal detail here. Dashboard, pretty decent looking. Steering wheel is nice. This here is your roof to make it into a station wagon. I wonder, let me go back to the body. So if that goes on there like that, I guess you'll have to cut out the trunk area to make it an actual, it looks like maybe there's a little witness mark there, but then the trunk would be too weird. I don't know how that's going to work. I have to see how it comes out on the inside when the time comes. I guess you could pretend that's a fold down rear seat and it's just covered up or something. I don't know. Alright, well that's that. Here's the hood. And it's got decent details molded in. These look like what we call those fender skirts. One of the rows of seats. And I think this is the radiator and core support. A little bit on the small side, especially for a vehicle that size. Okay. Here's the backs of the seats. And here is the trunk area for I almost said for a Volkswagen, for a station wagon. So we'll have to most likely cut out that section and then place this right in there. Yeah, it looks like it'll go right in there. So this will have to be cut out. Alright, I don't know if they give you a template yet to do that or if you're just winging it. Here's a little dashboard telephone, fancy schmancy. Some engine heads, valve covers. Oh, 2 phones. You get 2 phones. It's two phones in one. That's cool. So you could take one and put it by the driver's seat and the other one in the way back seat, and you guys can talk to your passengers. Yeah. Ready? And here we have the ever popular reel-to-reel tape deck for all your traveling needs, right? Here's a big old intake manifold, car battery, and a tiny little fan for the engine. Oil pan, fan belt and pulley system there, and 2 halves of your engine and transmission. Not a whole lot of this kit, it seems like. Here's a firewall, this side. Okay, it's a flying firewall. Here we go. Okay, detail on that. You pick out some good stuff. Here is what appears to be a roll bar. Don't know if that's part of the build or if just a piece of sprue tree. And here's 4 tires. They are Firestone. Right there. Minimal tread, you know. Just like the doors, I can't say that word no more. And here are tail lights, it looks like. These 2 pieces here. And it looks like, if you look at the box here, tail lights also go across the rear bumper. I don't remember that on the actual car, but it's been a while since I've seen one. Alright. 2 big bags of, yeah, wow. 3. No, this is clear. So there's the station wagon portion of the clear glass. That's really nice looking. And then the regular front windshield here, and some miscellaneous lights and things here. I'll go ahead and leave that in the box as always. I mean in the bag. I don't know what I mean. It's a long day. I hope everyone's having a good day. Beautiful weather out right now, but it does look a little bit overcast, like it's going to rain. Here we have some kind of customized bumper. Reminds me of like the Galaxy from the 6970, big old Galaxy. Front grille, 1965 grille. That's very cool. Rear bumper. And some fancy little bits to, I don't know what that one is. This one looks like it has a dog on it, like a greyhound almost. Continental have a animal for their mascot? I don't even remember. I don't see that anywhere on the box. Some decent looking stock hubcaps, and looks like some custom wheels that look like they come in 2 or 3 parts. Let's set that right there. Now will this piece slide out? Yes it will. I'll be darned. And here's the other. Oh, okay. So those are going to be spoke wheels. Let's see if I can. Here's part of the wheel, and then here's the other part. And if you put them over together, they look like spoked wheels. That's pretty cool. Pretty thoughtful. I like it. All right. So we have 4 of those, and another one of these, which I'm not sure what that is yet. This one here is part 318. So it could be a transmission pan, but it seems kind of big compared to the engine. Here's some valve covers and some other little pieces that I don't recognize. Maybe it's trim for the inside, or it could be anything. I don't know. I'll have to look at that. Here's a chrome fan. That's kind of cool. And I believe that's an intake manifold with the offset carburetors, it looks like. Some little trim bits for the roof rack, I think. Alright, a lot of fancy little parts in that one. And then we have one steel axle. I'll go ahead and leave that in there so I don't lose it. And then, oh, wait. Oh, there's 2 pieces here. That threw me off there. We have the this style Ertl blue printer. Remember all those? Throw that in the box. And then we have the decals, which is really cool. It's just a giant sheet of fake wood grain, which would be, can you see the box? Yeah, it would be for, let me move the camera back a little. There you go. It's for the whole side of the thing, side of the model card, make it like a woody. So that's really cool. The detail on that is very nice. I don't know if there's a pattern to trace out in the instructions yet, because that'd be kind of a bugger trying to get those curves just right. So hopefully that's in there. And we have some big numbers, 67890. Okay. Some thrush decals. It says Mr. Horsepower on the bottom there. You guys remember those? Some drag racing letters. Jan's Racing something. I can't read it. It's too small. I'll be getting my eyes fixed here in a couple weeks, guys. Hopefully that'll help. And this is 1965 VW 1006. Moon equipped. That's cool. Alright, that's enough for the decals. Put that in there upside down. And then we have the instructions. Oop, look at there. There's 2 axles this kit comes with. That one was rusted right to the instructions. Obviously a little bit of moisture got in there at one time or another. Could have even happened the day I bought it. It was raining or something, you know. Let's see here. Oh, now this is fancy. The instructions are, you can't really see that. The instructions are a long sheet, and we build it this way. Start at the top with the engine. Expansion tank, that's cool. Okay, one of those parts was the aluminum air cleaner. That's kind of neat. Different, eh? It might have been the one that I thought on the side of the box was a brake pedal. That's what that is. Alright. Here's 2. Here is your location for your optional tape recorder. 2 telephones. Location's optional, so you can put them wherever you want. Yep. There's that section there. Here, cut here for addition of station wagon interior. So basically, they want you to remove the post, it says, and then cut out almost the entire back of the car there. That's crazy. Just be careful doing that, folks. There we go. Nice little hood ornament. That's cool. Red tail lights for the stock. Okay. Custom tail light. So that's what that was. That one there is the custom tail light. Okay. Oh, and the other one was a, remember I said I had a dog on there? That's the optional grill for behind the, oh no, it goes in front. Almost like a push bar. Huh, that's different. For the custom version. And then the last one is the station wagon. Luggage rack for the roof, that's cool. But nowhere do I see a template to cut out the wood grain, so you'll have to figure that one out on your own, guys. Sorry. Maybe if you use the interwebs there and look it up, maybe somebody's done that. I don't know that I'll do that myself. Alrighty, well, that's the unboxing of 1965 Continental from AMT Ertl. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.